Hi everyone, welcome to Illuminate Business's new career workshop series. Today's presentation will be focused on everything you need to know about marketing. My name is Fiona and I'm the Executive Director of Events hosting these workshops. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so what exactly is marketing, you may ask? Well, marketing refers to the activities that a company undertakes to promote their products or services to consumers. A lot of it involves advertising in order to not only retain customers, but also build a relationship with them to deliver value. Now, what do marketers do? They perform market research to understand a company's current image and gain into competitors and the target market. They develop marketing campaigns that reflect the brand's image, increase brand awareness, and connect with the target audience. They collaborate with product managers and other members of the company to portray the product being marketed accurately, as well as understand the product's features. They also evaluate the effectiveness of marketing campaigns. Alright, what skills do marketers have? First of all, they must have creativity. Marketing involves working with ideas and improving them to reach both new and existing clients. For example, producing innovative videos for a new social media campaign. To succeed in marketing, you should have fresh ideas to help the business stand out from its competitors. Second, they must be great at research. Marketers need appealing campaigns to promote their products. By knowing how to conduct both qualitative and quantitative research, marketers can learn more about their clients and their needs. Third, marketers should be curious and willing to learn. Great marketers are unafraid to try something new, whether that means an idea, project, or campaign. They try to find new ways to convey their message to excite clients. Fourth, marketers should have good observational skills. Successful marketers should be able to identify their target audience and ways they can satisfy them. They must be able to put themselves in the consumer's shoes in order to understand them. Fifth, marketers should be good at selling their products/services to consumers. They know how to communicate their message effectively and manage sales behind the scenes. And sixth, marketers should be able to collaborate with others. They often collaborate with team members and other members of a company to develop new offerings for audiences and identify solutions customers may be experiencing. So, what's a marketing campaign? A marketing campaign is a series of strategic activities that promote a company's product, service, or brand with a specific goal in mind. Examples include in person events, advertisements, social media, television or radio, and email. Here are some examples of popular marketing campaigns that you may have seen before. First up, we have the athletic brand Nike's Just Do It campaign, which involved the slogan Just Do It across ads, which focused on the idea of pushing oneself to achieve greatness no matter the adversity. Then we have the soda brand Coca Cola Share a Coke campaign, which replaced the Coca Cola logo with the phrase Share a Coke with, followed by a person's name, such as Share a Coke with Mary, Share a Coke with Bob, Share a Coke with George, etc., etc. And then we also have the hygiene product brand Dove's Real Beauty campaign, which was centered around women's real sentiments about beauty and representing different standards of beauty across different forms and shapes. Feel free to look at your favorite brands and see their own marketing campaign. So, how do you really break into marketing? While you don't necessarily need to have a college degree in order to pursue marketing, experience is more valued, and certain majors can definitely help you get onto the marketing path though. Here are some majors to think about if you want to pursue marketing. We have first marketing, which is obvious. They study how consumers think, why they think that way, and how to use effective communication strategies to help sell products and services. Marketing majors learn social science, key concepts in business communications, advertising, and sales, and they develop skills in logic, creativity, and analysis. Then we have psychology. Psychology majors develop a broad understanding of human behavior as well as the skills to understand and interpret research findings concerning human behavior. The psychology curriculum includes courses in cognitive, developmental, behavioral, and neural studies, learning, personality, social, and clinical psychology. Then we have economics. Economics majors study how people, businesses, communities, and governments use resources and interact with each other. They use math, data, and statistical models to analyze social systems such as markets, corporations, and families. Economics majors also learn about economic policy, international trade, supply and demand, and consumer behavior. Then we have communications. Communication majors study mass media, technical communications, and advertising. They learn how to write press releases, long form articles, and technical documents. Graphic design. Graphic design majors convey places, products, services, and personalities through artistic and strategic visual ideas. With a graphic design degree, you'll develop the sophisticated typographic and image making abilities needed to advance businesses, communities, and society. Then we have business analytics. Business analytics prepares you to analyze and create data driven strategies for businesses and organizations to increase revenue and improve customer satisfaction. Business administration. When studying business administration, you'll learn theory, but you'll also learn a wide variety of practical skills, including leadership, communication, analytical thinking, strategic planning, problem solving, entrepreneurship, accounting, finance, human resources, and marketing. And now we have business management. Business management majors develop skills in leadership, team management, and resource deployment to maximize productivity. They also gain a broad understanding of business basics such as accounting, budgeting, marketing, planning, hiring, and leadership. Alright, so what careers can you pursue with a marketing degree? While there are many paths to pursue with a marketing degree, here are just some. So we have digital marketer. They develop effective online marketing strategies, generate leads and sales, and implement new technology to improve productivity. Then we have advertising account executive. They act as a link between advertising agencies and their clients, managing accounts and coordinating advertising campaigns. We also have market researcher. They conduct surveys and gather information to determine the potential success of marketing strategies, products, and services. Marketing executive. They are responsible for developing and implementing marketing campaigns to promote a company's products or services. Now we have media buyer. They are responsible for negotiating and purchasing ad space and time to effectively reach target audiences. Then there's public relations manager who represent companies and helps them develop a positive reputation in various media channels. Now we have SEO specialist. They use keyword research, content creation, link building, technical audits, and more to improve organic search results. It's their job to identify search related strategies and tactics that generate more leads and drive more revenue for your business. Now we have product manager. They guide the development and success of a company's product or feature. They work with cross functional teams, including business, technology, and design, to manage tasks, tools, and relationships throughout the product's lifecycle. And lastly, we have social media manager, responsible for a company's social media presence, including monitoring, creating, and measuring it. And that concludes the end of the marketing career workshop. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them. Also, feel free to recommend any other careers that you want to see featured. Thank you for attending. Bye!